back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. We're back in the kitchen again, because today we're going to be making some salted caramel hot chocolate in a crock pot.
Hey, that's right, I'm talking to you. It's time to watch our favorite girl and teach us something new. We're making crafts, we're playing games, we're going for a ride. You can find us having fun on every Sunday night. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments.
So what you need for this project, you need milk, caramel, you need some of these chocolate chips, you need vanilla extract, you need this one, it is called heavy whipping cream. Then you need a measuring cup and you need salt. Alright, you need 2 cups of chocolate chips. Now I need to put in my crock pot. Now you just need 3/4 cup of caramel and I'm going to put it in my crock pot. Alright, now I'm going to be pouring some milk and this needs 4 cups. Now you just need 2 cups of whipping cream. Now we got it in the crock pot. Now I'm going to stir it. Now it's time to put the lid on it. So we need to put it for low for 2 to 3 hours. I'm going to stir it every hour. I'm going to put salt and vanilla when it's all done. We're going to do 1/2 spoon of salt and we're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Time is for stirring it. Now I'm going to have people try it. Now I'm going to have my grand try some of my salted caramel hot chocolate.
Sounds delicious. I like that.
Let's go! See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.